Question 4. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. Answer. When a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, commonly known as baking soda, with the chemical formula sodium hydrogen carbonate, is heated, it undergoes thermal decomposition. The reaction produces sodium carbonate, water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, gas. Reaction equation. The balanced chemical equation for this reaction is as follows. 2. Text. NaHCO_3. S. Right arrow, text, Na_2, text, CO_3. S. Plus, text, H_2, text, O. G. Plus, text, CO_2. G. Additional information. 1. Products. Sodium carbonate, this is a white solid that remains after the reaction. Water, hydrogen oxide, released as a gas during the reaction. Carbon dioxide, this gas is released and can be observed as bubbles during the heating process. 2. Applications. This reaction is utilized in baking, where the carbon dioxide produced helps dough rise, making baked goods light and fluffy.